Okay, now see, we have this empty, so we have to redirect. So first of all, we have to import in redirect from expo, go from expo, then we redirect someone. When he come here, we direct him into the house folder, and when he come into house, he should go to this layout, this one, and after getting to this layout, we should now let him to display this information over here. So what we can do right away is, first of all, let me see whether I have this somewhere else, because of we can, I think it is not here. See, it's not there. Text app is not there. Not there. Not there. We need to write it from scratch. Really, really. Okay. If it's not there, let's just do it. So just from scratch. So we are here. We want to someone when you get to our website. Let's import first of all. Let me say redirect. Want to direct someone, so import redirect from explorer. That's all right.